next shape we have is parallelograms, which I've already drawn. We have our base and we have our height. And the formula for parallelogram is area equals base times height. Okay, so triangle was half the base times height. Parallelogram is just base times height. And the base, again, must be perpendicular to the height, giving us that 90-degree angle. Okay, so for number 2, okay, we know that the top, or sorry, not this part of the image is 7 meters. We know the height is 9 meters. And we know the base is 20 meters. Okay. So the area is base times height. So in this scenario, we have this 20 and we have the 7. Now the 7 only is part of the base. I want the whole base, so I'm going to take the 20 times 9. So 20 times 9 is 180, and it's your units squared, so meters squared. My area is 180 meters squared. Now I want to find my perimeter. Okay, so in order to find my perimeter, I need to find this length. And again, I can use a right triangle or Pythagorean theorem to find that length. So I'm going to take 7 squared plus 9 squared equals x squared. 7 squared is 49. 9 squared is 81. Add that together and I get 130. 130 is not a great, nice number, but I can take the square root of it to find the nearest tenth as my instructions were given to me. Okay, now because I have multiple ones that are like that, I'm going to go ahead and leave it just as square root of 130 equals x, just in case there's any rounding that would play into factor. So that gives me the perimeter of 20 plus 20 plus the square root of 130 plus the square root of 130. Okay, and we type that in our calculator and we add it all up and we get a total that perimeter is 62.8 meters. And that is the information for the parallelograms.